This is a new generation of intelligent X-ray inspection workstation. X-ray trip voltage range from 160 to 225 kV. High power X-ray and highly sensitive. Efficiency 40% higher. Real-time detection process. Dynamic monitoring. Avoid hidden flaws. AI defect analysis. Multiple defects technology. Dynamic DR algorithm. High definition. Eliminate artifacts. Increase detection accuracy. 5-axis linkage control. More or less than 0.03 mm accuracy. 360 degrees rotation. More or less than 30 degrees tilt supported. Automatic path planning. Scanning irregular, shaped. Modular design, with an optional connection. Interactive with MES and EIP system. XD225 has professional test capability, playing roles to the vehicle industry, cast and welded parts production, etc., providing reliable inspection solutions.